Hi, my name is Joe. I've been suffering with back pain for almost 20 years now. And until that time, I have been through decompressions, I have had injections, I've been through rehab, and none of those really worked for me particularly. So I started researching where I should go, who would be the best doctors and places I could have a better idea of really what I've been suffering with. And I've had several MRIs, in fact 3 of those MRIs beforehand, and basically the doctors I had gone to told me that I was going to have open back surgery. And that was just not an option for me. So I started researching all the different avenues and ways that I could have my problem corrected. And have listened to all of the laser people and whatnot. And when I started asking really the questions about their procedure and how they went through it, there really was a lot more to it than what they were describing on TVs and other places. Fortunately, I found the Back Institute. And through the Back Institute, I was able to get more answers to my questions, and they could clarify my problem better for me. Plus, their procedure was more in line with what I was looking for. And that procedure being non-invasive, even though that term is thrown out a lot through the industry for people who work in back situations. This truly is too non-invasive. I have had 2 surgeries through the Back Institute. Let me explain. My first one was I could barely walk. I was on my hands and knees most of the time in bed. And when I came to the Back Institute, I met Dr. Lombardi, and we set up a time that I could come in, and he operated on my back. And I cannot express enough how I felt. I had my life back. Unfortunately, after 2 months and feeling 95% improvement and having my life back, I felt so good that I decided to go out and plant a tree. And that tree that I planted and dug the hole for it caused another problem for myself. Therefore, there was only one place that I was going to have this done again, and that was back at the Back Institute, of which I came back and talked to Dr. Lombardi about it, and he asked me to hold off and see if this couldn't correct itself. But after 2 to 3 weeks, he decided